guys, I recently started an endorsement with Collision Drumsticks, so here's my introduction to this great group of people. My name is McAhren, and I've been playing drums since I was about 10 years old. I play in a country rock band called RJ Preston down here in Florida. I'm excited to share the style of Collision Drumsticks, which are the 5B Reach. Got a nice clean logo on here. These sticks have quickly become my go-to for their balance, strength, and feel. What I love about Collision, first off, is their customer service. They're always there to help and guide me through my journey. In addition, the stick quality is amazing, strong, yet lightweight for the size. I've had sticks a little bigger and smaller than this, and the weight varies, and these are perfect. They're right in the middle. Last but not least, the versatility of these sticks are amazing because they let me play everything from subtle country to powerful southern rock hits. And I just recorded my first time playing with these sticks last weekend. We recorded a song called Can't You See, which was originally by the Marshall Tucker Band, but we're doing the Blackstone Cherries version. Let's see what these puppies can do.